Hello everyone, in this video I am excited because I'm going to be showing you how to make mango and blueberry mojito, and it's going to be very refreshing. So I'm going to be using blueberries, ice cubes and fresh mint together with some mango juice that is very sweet. I'm going to start off by adding my blueberries, some mint leaves, and then I'm going to muddle the blueberries together with the mint. The good thing about this mojito is that it's non-alcoholic, so everyone can enjoy. Once done, I'm going to be adding in my ice cubes. So these are also Sprite Ice Cubes that I made earlier. And then I'm going to add in my mango juice. Next, add in some Sprite. Using a spoon, I'm going to mix in. The blueberries are tart, and I've balanced the tartness with the mango juice, and the mint has made the mojito very refreshing. So this is so good, and I hope you try out this amazing blueberry and mango mojito, or vice versa. Catch you on my next episode.